Hey there, MBA aspirants. The Financial Times Global MBA rankings have just been released, and once again, the Indian School of Business or ISB has demonstrated its excellence by securing its position as the premier business school in India. ISB has been ranked 31st globally and holds the 5th spot in Asia. Other Indian business schools featuring in the FT rankings include IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore, IIM Calcutta, IIM Lucknow, and XLRI. Notably, ISB stands out as the sole Indian business school consistently ranked among the top 50 business schools worldwide over the years. Now, you may be curious about what these rankings truly signify and the insights they provide about the business school. In this video, we intend to shed some light on these rankings, delving into key parameters that significantly impact your business school experience. So let's begin. Let's start with an overview of the Financial Times rankings. Annually, Financial Times publishes its list of top 100 business schools, evaluating them based on 21 criteria. Alumni responses carry substantial weight, contributing to 56% of the overall ranking. This represents 8 out of the 21 criteria directly influenced by alumni experience. School internal data audited by KPMG influences 34% of the ranking through 12 criteria. The remaining 10% can be attributed to research rank. These weightages clearly highlight the significant role of alumni experiences in the rankings, making them a robust indicator of alumni confidence in the business school. This confidence often translates into increased likelihood for alumni to return and recruit from the B school as they progress in their careers. Now let's delve into the intricacies of a few criteria that we consider pivotal when deciding whether to pursue an MBA at a business school. The first criterion we will explore is salary increase. Now here ISB takes the lead globally, boasting an impressive 229% surge in post-MBA salary compared to pre-MBA salary. This achievement is particularly noteworthy given all students in the PGP cohort bring a minimum of 2 to 2.5 years of work experience, already earning substantial salaries before embarking on their MBA journey. Moving on to the second critical criteria, which is career progression rank. This metric is calculated based on changes in the level of seniority and the size of organizations where alumni currently work compared to prior to their MBA. ISB secures a global rank of 41, consistently demonstrating its effectiveness in propelling alumni towards accelerated career growth. The third key criterion we will examine is alumni network, evaluated based on the alumni network's efficacy in providing career opportunities. ISB excels here with a remarkable global rank of 8. The alumni community of ISB has been characterized by approachability and robust mutual support, qualities that contribute significantly to this impressive ranking. Moving on to the fourth critical criterion, career service rank, which assesses effectiveness of a school's career services in offering career counseling, personal development, networking events, and recruitment. Now, ISB secures a global rank of 19 here, standing out as the top-ranking Indian business school in this category. Over the years, the Career Advancement Services, or CAS, at ISB has performed exceptionally, aiding the ISB cohort in navigating or advancing in their desired fields of interest. The ranking here serves as a testament to the effectiveness of these services. Finally, let's discuss the value for money rank, a parameter calculated based on current salary, course duration, the tuition fee, and other associated costs including income foregone during the MBA. Now in this respect, ISB ranks the lowest among Indian business schools, holding the 55th position globally. We believe this can be attributed to the high upfront tuition fee and a sluggish salary growth for alumni who graduated in 2020, influenced by the economic slowdown during the COVID-impacted period and the more recent conservative stance of the industry. However, the genuine value of an MBA unfolds in the long term as individual progresses through the careers backed up by the support of a robust alumni network. To delve deeper in whether investing approximately 45 lakhs in an MBA at ISB is worthwhile, please refer to our earlier video linked in the description. Now, in summary, ISB's top global ranking in the Financial Times reflects its excellence. Despite challenges in the value for money rank, with a robust alumni network and potential long-term career gains, we believe ISB stands out, promising a transformative MBA experience for aspiring business leaders. Stay tuned for more content like this. Until then, fly high.